If you apply Form 10C without submitting Form 19, your claim may get rejected. In this video, I will show you the correct way to withdraw both PF and pension amount safely. We will cover 5 important steps in this video. Make sure watch till the end because I will show some important notes and common mistakes that can cause claim rejection. Step 1. Form 19 and Form 10C. Quick introduction. First, let's understand Form 19. The Form 19 is used to withdraw your EPF balance, which includes both employee and employer contributions. You are eligible to withdraw if you are unemployed for 2 months. Now let's see Form 10C. The Form 10C is used to withdraw your EPS pension amount. You are eligible if you are unemployed for 2 months, your service period is less than 10 years, your age is below 50 years. Friends, if you find something value in my videos, subscribe to my channel. It motivates me to do more financial videos. This is PF member passbook. It contains two parts, EPF and EPS. This is EPF, stands for Employee Provident Fund. It includes both employee contribution and employer contribution. And this is EPS, stands for Employee Provident Scheme. This is the pension fund. EPF contribution breakdown. The 12% of contribution amount will direct from your salary and another 12% will contributed by your employer. That amount, the percentage 3.67 of employer share and 8.33 of amount goes to the pension scheme and capped the maximum of 1,250 per month. In this video, I will show you withdraw entire EPF and EPS funds. Step 2. Before you begin requirements. Before applying, keep these documents ready. Aadhaar linked mobile number for OTP verification, cancelled check for a bank verification. There are two ways to withdraw pension funds, online and offline. In this video, I will show you how to do online process step by step. Step 3. Pension funds withdrawal portal demo. In Google, enter UAN portal login. You will find that link UAN-Employee Provident Fund. Click that link to continue. Close this button. In right hand side, you will see the PF login. Enter UAN number, enter password, then click sign in. The second factor authentication is required. The OTP is sent to your registered mobile number. Once received, enter it here. Then click submit to continue. This is the UAN dashboard. Before you proceed, you have to verify your KYCs and bank verification details are correct. If you want to check, go to manage, then click KYC. So here you have to verify your bank PAN number, Aadhaar number, all status are verified and approved. In KYC, anything is incorrect, we want to update, click here to update. Enter the required details and then click the checkbox and then click save. Then come back to the UAN dashboard. Now we go to initiate claim. Go to online services. Then you will find the option claim form 31, 19, 10C and 10D. Click this button. The online claim page will open. Now we have to verify the details. Your employee name, your father's name and date of birth, everything is correct. Once you all verified, enter the registered bank number. Then click verify. Then click X to continue. So please note the amount will be credited in this bank account only. Then scroll down, then click here to proceed for online claim. Now we have to select the claim option. The first select form 19. Without selecting form 19, if you select directly from form 10C, your claim will get rejected. First, you will withdraw your employee and employer share. Once you withdraw the employee and employer share, then only you will initiate form 10C, that is your pension fund. Otherwise, the claim will get rejected. First, I will apply form 19. Enter the employee address, then select state, then select a district, then enter city, then enter pin code, then click this checkbox. Would get to Aadhaar OTP. The Aadhaar OTP will be sent to your registered mobile number. Once received, enter it here. Then click validate OTP and submit claim. Step 4. Initiate pension funds withdrawal request. Now come to the UAN dashboard. Next step, you have to withdraw your pension fund. We successfully applied form 19. Then after a few minutes, apply form 10C. In UAN dashboard, again go to online services. Then click claim. Again you will enter the bank number, registered bank number. Then click verify. Then click yes to continue. Scroll down. Then click proceed for online claim. You will find the option I want to apply for. Then click this checkbox. Then again you will find the four options. This time you will apply only pension withdrawal form 10C. Scroll down, enter the employee address. Again select state, then district, then city, then pin code. So once enter these details, then click this checkbox. Then again you will get Aadhaar OTP. The Aadhaar OTP will be sent to your registered mobile number. Once received, enter it here. Then click validate OTP and submit claim. After submit claim form, you got the message mobile OTP has been verified and a pension withdrawal claim form submitted successfully. If you want to track your PF pension withdrawal, go to online services. Then you will find the option track claim status. Click track claim status. Under online claim status, you will form 19 is under process and form 10C is submitted at portal. How long it will take, the amount will credited in your bank account. The pension and withdrawal full and final settlement will take up to 20 working days to credit in your bank account. Step 5. Important notes and common points. Transfer old PF first. Before applying for pension withdrawal, you will transfer all previous PF accounts to your current PF account. Eligibility for pension form 10C. You can withdraw pension amount if unemployed for 2 months, service is less than 10 years. Exit date must be updated. Your exit date must be correctly marked before applying for pension claim. If currently employed, if you are currently working, you are eligible only for partial PF withdrawal, not full settlement. Before paying pension claim, make sure the following are completed: KYC approved, bank account verified, exit date updated correctly. And that's it about this video, friends. If you find some value in this video, like and subscribe to my channel, and it motivates me to do more financial videos.